Welcome to our channel. Here's how to download Disney Plus movies for offline viewing during trips or without internet access. Step 1. Open Disney Plus app on your mobile device. Downloads aren't available on web browsers. Step 2. Sign in to your Disney Plus account with your credentials. Step 3. Browse or search for the movie you want to download. Not all titles are available for download. Step 4. Look for the download icon on the movie's page. It appears as a downward arrow. Step 5. Tap the download button. For series, you can download individual episodes or entire seasons. Step 6. Choose your download quality in app settings. Higher quality uses more storage space. Step 7. Monitor download progress in the Downloads section accessible from the menu. Step 8. Downloaded content remains available for as long as you maintain your subscription. Step 9. Access downloads anytime from the Downloads tab, even in airplane mode or without internet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.